Welcome. If you're watching this video, it means you've taken the first step. So what's the secret to this? Let's get straight to the point without keeping you waiting any longer. Genetics and metabolism account for only 10% of this. The rest is lifestyle and what we eat. Let's talk about 8 superfoods that will help you lose weight. The first 6 of these 8 superfoods have one thing in common. They are all very rich in fiber. Fiber-rich foods have very low calorie values. They delay stomach emptying and keep you feeling full. Fibers do not cause sudden spikes in blood sugar. They speed up intestinal movements and protect against constipation. They nourish the beneficial probiotic bacteria in our intestines. Acids produced by the bacteria fed by fibers create a feeling of fullness in the brain. They have a positive effect on sugar and cholesterol metabolism. Broccoli. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and has a very high fiber content. Surprisingly, it also has a high protein content and keeps you feeling full. Salads and greens. Salads rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber should be the main component of our diet. Make sure to have salad as one of your meals 2 to 3 times a week. Legumes, kidney beans, chickpeas, lentils. These legumes, which are high in protein, should be consumed at least 2 days a week. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is very rich in both soluble and insoluble fibers. It forms a gel-like consistency in both the stomach and intestines, absorbing fats in the intestines like a sponge and keeping you feeling full. It should be consumed several days a week. Flaxseed. Flaxseed is a superfood rich in many nutrients. You can consume an average of 20-30 grams of freshly ground flaxseed daily by adding it to yogurt, salads, and meals. Apple. An old American saying goes, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." The biggest feature of the apple is that it contains high levels of soluble fibers called pectin. Eating an apple every day at this stage would be beneficial. Green tea. Have you ever wondered why Japanese people are so slim and healthy? The most important feature of the antioxidants in this tea is that they speed up metabolism and burn fat. If you drink tea every day, make sure one of them is green tea. Chili pepper. Chili pepper is an excellent antioxidant. Unlike other antioxidants, it has 3 important features. It speeds up metabolism, triggers fat burning, and suppresses appetite. You should be careful not to consume more than the recommended amounts of these foods. And of course, I strongly recommend adding regular exercise and movement to your life. For those who do not have the opportunity to exercise, walking an average of 10,000 steps a day may be sufficient.